Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see about the basic OSPF configuration. Okay, and the few users are requested to make OSPF videos. That is the reason behind this to making this video. I'm going to create complete playlist for OSPF. So if you like this video, please give me a like, subscribe, and share button. That will motivate me to record more videos. I just took a two routers for creating OSPF1, and I'm going to do it injecting area 0 and area 1 to show you how that OSPF will work. This video is I'm going to do with the network command. There is a other way to do OSPF configuration that we will do it in later labs. We are not going to discuss any theory regarding the OSPF like Dikstra algorithm and all those stuff, multicast IP, DR, BDR, that everything we will discuss in future with the lab videos. Okay, let's go for video. Now I created two router R1 and R2. 192.168.1.0/24 segment was connected between R1 and R2. I'm going to inject this into area 0. And there is a loopback was created in R1 and R2 with 1.1.1 network slash 30 network and 11.11.11.12/30 network. Similarly, in R2 also same two loopback address was created to injecting in area 2. So all pre-configuration was done here. That is IP address configuration. If you see that R2 Jig0/0 was configured in the 192.168.1 segment. Similarly, R1 also configured 0/0/0 with 192.168.1.1 IP, and the respective loopback address are configured with corresponding address. Okay, so now let's go for the video. Don't forget to give like, share, and subscribe if you really like this video. Now we will go to the router R1 and we will do the OSPF configuration. Okay, and we will initially inject area 0 and we will do it in area 1, and some wrong network command we will configure here, and we will get to know how it will impact forming the routes to the other router. Okay, so if you have any queries or if you like some more videos to be posted, please post in the comment section. I will try to post the video as per your expectation. Okay, I hope let's go for a directly go for a configuration because we have discussed more about this. Now I just enter into R1. Okay, I'm going to enter into the configuration mode by config to router OSPF1 is the command to activate the OSPF. That is, one is called process ID. So now I'm going to inject 192.168.1.0 network into area 0. What is the command? We have to give the network command and we have to specify which network we are going to inject, and here we have to use wildcard mask. That is, it's opposite to reverse to subnet mask. That is what /24 wildcard mask is 0.0.0.255, and the next command will be which area we are going to inject this route under area 0. Okay, the area 0 is a backbone area that we will discuss later. Now I injected that 192.168.1.0 segment into area 0. Similarly, we have to go to R2 and we have to activate the OSPF neighborship. Okay, now I am just giving show IP route command. If you see that 192.168.1.0 is installed in the routing table with a loopback, that is directly connected route. So that is based on routing. Static route metric is more. That is the reason it was inducted instead of OSPF route. Now I went to router OSPF1, just injected the same command because I'm going to advertise the same network with the wildcard mask and area 0. Once I enter this, active OSPF was activated. Now both and OSPF was there. Now it was went to full state. Full state means the neighborship was completely established. Okay. If you give that show IP route, even if you see that 192.168.1.0 is directly connected, that is why the routing table installed instead of OSPF route, that it installed the direct route. Okay. If you ping, before that I am just giving so OSPF database command. This is a useful command. You can check the LSA type that we will discuss later. It will show you what is the link ID, what is the advertised router, and how many links are learned and what is the areas or what are the areas are configured, all those details you will get it. So IP OSPF database. This is nothing but we can say OSPF topology table. Okay. So this will be useful command to check the OSPF database. Okay, OSPF topology. Now I just going to R1. Okay, router OSPF1 network 1.1.0. I'm going to inject in 0.0.255. Actually, I'm injecting /24 wildcard mask. I am advertising the entire wildcard mask into area 01. Similarly, 11.11.0, I'm going to specify that /30, that is 0.0.0.3 for a wildcard mask. Okay, into area 1. So there is a so if you note down, there is a problem in this command that we will see with the troubleshooting in the end of this session. Okay, if you go to R2, so IP route, if you see that 1.1. segment was learned in inter area route, but you didn't see that 11. segment was not learned. You see that because we are injected that we will see why it was not learned. Okay. Now if you give that so IP interface break command 1.1.1 and loopback is configured 1.1.1, and when the so run interface, that specific command will not work in a packet tracer. Okay, so just you got to execute so run command to check the interface level configuration. If you see that 1.1. is /30 and even 11.11.13 network is also /30. We are injected, we are configured a wrong network command in R1 that we will correct later. Okay, that is the reason it is not learning the R1 loopback interface to R2. Now I'm going to router 2 and I am doing the same. Network 2.2.0, 0.0.0. You will give a specific one. Okay, 0.0.0.3 area 1. If you go to the network 22.22.22.0, 0.0.0.3 specific area 1. Because this, do you think this is a right command? No, this is not right command, right? Let's see why this is not right command. Okay, if you ping 1.1, you are able to ping. If you ping that other interface which is configured in loopback 1 in the R1, you are not able to reach that. Okay, 11.11.11.13 is configured on 2.2, you will be able to reach because that is in a correct network command you are injected. But if you ping, for that just I am checking the show IP interface brief command. The 22.22.22 is the IP config in R2, right? If you ping 22.22.22.22, it will not ping. The reason is you are not injected the correct root command in R2 as well as R1. So I am just correcting that. Went to R2, go to config T, router OSPF1, no neighbor, no network 22.22.22.20 0, that is the existing config. We have to remove that, then we have to configure the correct network. 22.22.22.20 is the correct network for IP address 22.22.22.22. So once you configure correct in IP, you are able to reach from R1. Okay, it is learning the route, it is reached. Route was learned, now you are able to reach. Similarly, if you go to R1, what is the IP address of loopback 1? 11.11.11.13, right? So you have to configure that one. What is the network of 11.11.11.13? Network is 11.11.11.12 is the network for 11.11.11.13 IP address. So we have to remove the existing one. Let go. Before that, I just confirming that you are not able to reach 11.11.11.12. 12 is a network IP. We should reach the valid IP 11.11.11.13. Right? Because still it was not advertised, so you are not able to reach that. Even 12.11.11.12 network was not injected correctly in the R1. I am going to remove the old one 11.11.11.0, 0.0.0.3 area 1. I'm removing it. I'm injecting the correct network command 11.11.11.12 0.0.3 area 1. Now the input command is correctly injected, so you will be able to reach from R to the correct IP address. Yeah, see, it's land the route, it's reached. Okay, there are few useful command, that is show IP protocols, because you can check all the details of that routing table. So IP OSPF neighbor, this is one of the important command, and so IP OSPF database, that is another important command which will use for OSPF neighborship. Okay, we will we will we will see this in detail in next upcoming videos. I think I hope you like this video. If you like this video and if you have any feedback for me to suggest for improvement, please let me know. I try to post more videos related to OSPF going forward. Uh, Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on this. If you have any suggestion to improve, please let me know, because I'm not just doing this a professional way. I'm trying to improvise soon. If you all watch this video fully, thanks for everyone who watched the video completely. Thanks for watching this video. Bye. See you in the next video.